Video 21, Part 3A of 25, Importance of Plan Scope Management Plan Process. The purpose of this video is to develop a WBS to present the importance of the Plan Scope Management Plan process. The Plan Scope Management Plan process is the first process in the Project Scope Management knowledge area and is related to the Planning Process Group. Please click the like button. Subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you. Plan Scope Management is the first process in the Project Scope Management knowledge area. The Plan Scope Management process is extremely important for the Planning Process Group because it sets the foundation for how scope will be defined, validated, controlled, and managed throughout the project. In the Plan Scope Management process, the following key actions are performed to establish how project and product scope will be defined, validated, and controlled. 1. Review project charter and organizational assets. Analyze the project charter that contains high-level objectives, deliverables, and approvals. Review organizational policies, historical data, and templates related to scope management. 2. Gather inputs from stakeholders. Consult with stakeholders, including sponsors, customers, and team members, to understand their expectations. Identify any constraints, including budget, time, and resources, as well as assumptions that affect scope. 3. Develop the scope management plan. Define the process for first, gathering requirements through methods such as surveys, workshops, and prototyping. Second, defining scope through how project and product scope statements will be written. Third, creating the work breakdown structure through how deliverables will be decomposed. Fourth, validating scope through how deliverables will be formally accepted. Fifth, controlling scope through how changes will be handled to prevent scope creep. 4. Develop the requirements management plan. Specify how the requirements will be, first, elicited through brainstorming, interviews, and focus groups. Second, documented through user stories, use cases, and traceability matrix. Third, prioritized through the prioritization techniques like Moscow and voting. Fourth, tracked and updated through the change control process. 5. Document and obtain approval. Finalize the scope management plan and requirements management plan. Obtain approval from key stakeholders, such as the sponsor, PMO, or steering committee. Key reasons why plan scope management is critical for the Planning Process Group. 1. Defines how scope will be managed. The Plan Scope Management establishes the Scope Management Plan, which outlines first, how scope will be defined including project and product scope. Second, how requirements will be collected and documented. Third, how the work breakdown structure will be created. Fourth, how scope changes will be controlled. Fifth, ensures consistency in scope-related decisions. 2. Guides requirements gathering and scope definition. Without a scope management process in place, requirements may be incomplete, ambiguous, or conflicting. Helps prevent gold plating with unnecessary feature additions and scope creep caused by uncontrolled sprawl. 3. Enables accurate work breakdown structure development. The WBS breaks work into manageable pieces. A poorly defined scope leads to an incomplete or inaccurate WBS, causing cost overruns, missed deadlines, and rework. 4. Supports integration with other planning processes. Scope directly impacts, first, schedule management, since tasks and schedules depend on scope. Second, cost management, since budgeting is based on scope. Third, quality management, since scope defines deliverables and acceptance criteria. Fourth, Risk management, since inadequate scope definition increases risks. Fifth, ensures that all planning processes are aligned with the agreed scope. 5. Prevents scope creep and unapproved changes. The scope management plan includes change control procedures, ensuring only approved changes are implemented. Without it, projects often suffer from uncontrolled additions, leading to delays and budget issues. 6. Ensures stakeholder alignment. Clarifies what is included, excluded in the project with the project scope statement. Reduces conflict by setting clear expectations up front. Without a planned scope management process, the entire planning process runs the risk of inefficiency, misalignment, and failure. The reasons are: 1. Lack of clear boundaries, causing scope creep and inefficiency. Without defined scope management, the project has no clear boundaries, leading to uncontrolled changes, causing scope creep. Team members may work on unnecessary tasks, wasting time and resources. Frequent changes disrupt schedules, budgets, and resource allocation, causing inefficiencies. 2. Misalignment among stakeholders, leading to conflicting expectations. Different stakeholders may have unrealistic or conflicting expectations about deliverables. Without a formal scope definition, disagreements arise about what is included, excluded, leading to rework and delays. Poor scope management fails to document acceptance criteria, resulting in rejected deliverables. Poor scope management fails to document acceptance criteria, resulting in rejected deliverables. 3. Poor risk and change control causing project failure. Unmanaged scope leads to unapproved changes, derailing timelines and budgets. Without a scope baseline, measuring progress becomes difficult, increasing the risk of failure. Teams may overcommit, leading to burnout or compromised quality. 4. Inaccurate planning causing wasted resources. Scope management ensures accurate work breakdown structures and task definitions. Without it, estimates for time, cost, and resources are unreliable, leading to budget overruns and missed deadlines. In conclusion, planned scope management is a fundamental pillar of the planning process group, as it ensures: 1. Clear definition of scope, preventing ambiguities. 2. Controlled changes, avoiding scope deviations. 3. Alignment with other plans, with integration of schedule, cost, and quality. Without it, planning becomes chaotic, inefficient, and prone to failure. This video is finished. We will have in the next videos: 1. Creation of WBS for different projects using WBS Schedule Pro. 2. Examples of project plans using MS Project. And many more videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked this video and want us to continue with new topics. Subscribe to the channel. All content is free. You can also comment suggesting topics you would like to see on this channel. Thank you.